So it's really, FDACS has nothing to do with it. FDACS deals with administrative. They have not been involved in this case at all. I'm assuming that law enforcement never ever contacted them. And this is one of the things that we are working on a civil lawsuit for Mr. Jones, trying to get an injunction against law enforcement, because it's my position that both under the federal and the Florida Farm Bill, the Florida Department of Agriculture is the main enforcement agency for hemp licensed companies, and that they're the ones that have to provide or feel that this person was doing something non-negligently before they refer them to law enforcement. There's a provision specifically that seems to be clearly ignored that says, the negligent use or negligent possession, et cetera, isn't subject to any civil liability, criminal liability by any local, state law enforcement. So, that's something that we're trying to bring to the limelight. So I think this Commissioner of Agriculture should be standing up and say, hey, listen, let us deal with this first. And then if it needs to be referred to prosecution, we'll do so. And we know that because even other stores that have gotten stop sales, and I did a public records request to the Florida Department of Agriculture, it's my understanding that 0 have ever been referred to prosecution by the Florida Department of Agriculture. So why does the law enforcement get to go in and rob someone of all their products, treat them like criminals, when in situations like Carlos's or others, they went into the stop sale on it, or people paid a fine and it was over with? You don't sell it